guys, welcome back to my channel. Gina here. In today's video I'm going to show you some simple, easy DIY costumes. Of course, some of you guys aren't going to have this stuff in your closet, but I'm just giving you an idea of Halloween comes around. Don't just run to the store, spend $50 on a costume that you're going to wear for 2 or 3 hours, take a couple pictures in, and then it's never to be worn again. Check your closet, get some ideas, Google some ideas, and this is what I came up with. And you guys stay to the end, and I'm going to insert some clips of past Halloween costumes that I've worn over the years. All right guys, so this is the first costume here. Can you guess what I am? Can you guess? You see the bodysuit, the leggings. The bodysuit is over top of the leggings. The fanny pack. I have on scrunched up socks. Any ideas? I am, I guess you could say, like an 80s person. So this is my first costume. I'm someone from the 80s, an aerobics instructor maybe. This is how they used to dress. Someone that's just going out. Maybe I'm somebody that is going to the roller rink. Maybe I'm going to a dance club. I'm not sure. I was an 80s baby, but I wasn't old enough to really experience the 80s like that. So for this costume, I just put on a simple black leotard, some colorful leggings. These leggings were already in my closet, but they were $1 at Walmart. A furry fanny pack, which is very bright. The 80s was all about bright colors. I got bracelets on, just threw on some colorful bracelets, some big old earrings. Of course, my natural hair adds to the costume as well. If I was to actually wear this out, I'd probably wear like some blue eyeshadow, some hot pink lipstick. And yeah, as you can see, I have on very colorful tennis shoes. I also, look in the mirror right there, guys. That's why it's there, so y'all can really see the whole outfit. I have on some socks that are scrunched down, and this is my costume. Now, if you really want to set it off, add on a pair of roller skates. This is a prop, so just an old pair of roller skates, put it over top of your shoulder, and I mean, this is part of my costume. Now I'm ready for any costume party, and I think this is cute enough to even win. Of course, I use my hair kind of like as a prop as well, but you guys can throw on like a headband. This is just a workout headband that I have. This was in my closet as well. This was $1 from Marshall's. You can put this on. You just put it across your hair. You can really be like an aerobics instructor. I mean, headbands, accessories are what make your outfit. All right, guys, this is my next costume. Can you guess what I am? Let me give you a hint. Power to the people, all the people. I'm a Black Panther. That's right. Yes, honey, I am a Black Panther. Like I said, I use my hair kind of as a prop as well. So if you look at any pictures from the Black Panther party, the black turtleneck was always key, the black leather jacket, and the sunglasses. A lot of the women wore afros or they wore berets. So I added in other details. So I just have on some plain black sunglasses. I have on my beautiful African gold necklace. I have on Africa shaped earrings, and I'm wearing all black. I have on black pants, black combat boots, looking real militant, looking like I'm just about to go out here and protect my community. So I love this, but I think it's different. I think it's creative, and I think that, you know, people, it's a conversation piece. So lowered it down to give you guys a better look. Like I said, it's just some black leggings. If I was to actually wear this, I would probably do black jeans, some black combat boots. All of this stuff I already had in my closet. All right, guys, this is my final costume. Let me step back for you. Can you guess what I am? I know this one's easy. I'm a baseball player. So these are just simple items I grabbed out of my closet. Just some simple black leggings. I already had a baseball style tee, or if you have a baseball shirt, go ahead and wear that. or to make it sexy, you could crop it. Me, I just got it how it already was. So this is just a simple black and white baseball tee. I put my hair down in a little ponytail. I grabbed my boyfriend's baseball cap, which is the Houston Astros. Y'all know we're doing phenomenal this season. I put some black eyeliner underneath my eyes on the top of my cheeks. I know they wear this. I think they wear it just to reflect the sun. I'm not really sure. You can either use eyeliner, or if you have like black electrical tape, put it here, and you're done. I also, if you can see right here in the mirror, I also have on some socks pulled up and some Converse. So I just think Converse are good for the baseball look, or if you have real cleats, go ahead and wear those. I thought my kids probably had like a bat or a ball, but I searched the house and they don't. So that would have been a cute prop to wear with this as well. Chew some chewing gum, because you know how they be in the dugout. You know, just add to it. Me, I just get my creative juices flowing, and any little thing that I can find to use as a prop without having to go out and spend money, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, this is just a bottom view of the outfit. Like I said, it's very simple. It's just some Converse, some socks pulled up. You saw these socks in one of my other costumes as well. Some black leggings, a baseball tee, a cap, and the makeup. And that is it. This is costume number 3. All right, guys, thank you so much for rocking with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, watch to the very end, and I'm gonna insert some clips of old Halloween costumes, some that I made, some that I bought, just to give you guys ideas for this upcoming holiday season.